Hello guys, it's Thursday, it's Alex here today with you, and we are starting another ScandiPWA Weekly Community Session with Marchants. And today I have several topics to discuss with you. First, I will guide you through all the latest updates that happened with the project during the last week, as well as we will cover some updates on ScandiPWA.com website so you can quickly navigate and find information you might find useful for you. Let's start with our first topic, latest ScandiPWA updates. And in case you're not following our weekly newsletter, you can always open ScandiPWA blog on Medium and find weekly updates covering all the most actual and interesting information that happened with the project during the week. And since our last weekly community session, our development team rolled out two new releases. It's ScandiPWA 2.11.0 version and ScandiPWA 2.11.1, the follow-up release. So let's check in detail, let's check the feature breakdown and see what was introduced in 2.11.0 version. So as we see, we have demo store notice support, login in checkout functionality, offline notice, pagination control setting support, tire price notice display on product listing pages, upsell product supports, customer email configuration, different images for slider for mobile and desktop views. So now you can have a different slider for your mobile device visitors and for desktop visitors, SEO improvements, and of course every release comes out with a list of bug fixes. So this was implemented in the 2.11.0 version, and let me demonstrate to you a couple of examples of these new features. I will open this demo store, and you can immediately notice that this is a demo store since now we have this notice. You can add any information you want, any information you find useful for your case, and now every visitor can understand that, for example, this store is not a real operating business, but it is a store created for demonstration purposes, so you can have your own text and contact information listed here, anything that suits your needs. Also, we have login in checkout functionality, which means that now if you are adding a product to cart and if a user is already registered on your website, it's now possible to quickly log in from checkout and use the information that was previously entered, which speeds up the process and makes the user experience overall more satisfying. Also, we have among interesting features I'd like to show, we have tire price notice display on product listing page. Let me open this product for you. So as you see, we have tire price notice now displayed on this product listing page. If previously the original price was $6.59, then we have this notice stating that if I buy 2 units of product, the price per product will be 4.99 euros, or I will save 24%. So let me demonstrate this for you. So I'm going to add one item of a product to my cart. Okay, I'll clean up the cart. So I have one bottle of wine added to my cart. The original price is $6.59, and now if I change my mind and I want to buy the second bottle of wine, I see that price was decreased and now it is $4.99 per one bottle, as stated in this notice, which is now available on storefront view. Also, among interesting features, let's check what happened in 2.11.1 version. So we have cookie notice, upsell support, richer CMS features, and of course another list of bug fixes, and also some important notes for developers working with the theme. So I'm going to demonstrate you upsell support. Let's check this product. Nope, no product to upsell. Let's try to find another product. Okay, so this product, when we open this product, we see the list of recommended products as well as some upsell items, which is totally optional. It's possible to configure this as you want, as you prefer for your unique business case. So these are two new releases, and if you want to stay up to date and be the first to be notified on all our releases instantly, you can always check GitHub, ScandiPWA base theme and ScandiPWA base. So just make sure to open ScandiPWA base theme and ScandiPWA base and click watch. Then you will be immediately notified when we are releasing new updates. Okay, and it's time to move to our second topic for today, which is updates on ScandiPWA.com website. So during the last week, we've updated the ScandiPWA.com website to make your work with the theme easier, to make your developers and agencies work with the theme easier. So first of all, we have updated the news section, adding new up-to-date information. You can follow all the progress and all the most important information here in the blog section on the main page. Also here you can find videos, and we're doing our best to update this list of videos with tutorials. So the demo site I was just demonstrating a couple of minutes ago, it's possible to create such a store without any coding involvement, without any help of developers, simply by customizing the store from backend. And here in the latest video section you can find the tutorials and step-by-step guides as well as showcases. So if you follow this process, you'll be able to set up a running store, PWA store, within just an hour or two. And for your developers or agencies, we've also updated this section, adding new videos. So now it's really straightforward to follow all the tutorials and in guides. Here in the topics we have the most important videos, how you can start working with the theme, starting from local installation of ScandiPWA theme on Linux machines, and explaining how to set up the ScandiPWA frontend, how to work with the theme, etc. Basically everything your developers need to understand to start working with the solution. And of course we've updated our partners section with new partners and technology partners joining ScandiPWA community. So make sure to check this section, and if you have any questions or you need help, you can confidently reach out to any of partners listed in this section. So these are updates for this week. This is my email address. Make sure to send all your questions to me, and I'll be happy to answer. Thank you for your attention. Stay safe, and till next time. Bye.